am Chanel Matthews and this is Unfiltered. Whether it's for communication, entertainment, education or work, mobile apps play a major role in our daily lives. What's your most used app and why?
WhatsApp, because I have to communicate with my friends. I'm a university student, so I have to be corresponding a lot in the many WhatsApp groups that is going on to keep informed. So yes, WhatsApp.
My most used app is TikTok because even get me my news from, because I don't watch TV like that, because the younger generation with them rather TikTok and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna get entertainment from it as well. So I rather
TikTok is my most used app because it is more like an entertainment app where you go and sit and have fun and laugh at. TikTok is where I can go and you can also become an influencer on it and just have fun.
My mostly used app is TikTok, and why it educate me and it also captivate my mind. It help me to take my mind off day-to-day stress. Mostly I use it for entertainment and for spiritual growth and also for health-wise. For instance, if I want to know what type of herbal tea to drink to reduce weight or to cut on the ball or to reduce anything in my body, I will normally use TikTok for day-to-day use and to build my spiritual growth.
TikTok, you don't know. If on a TikTok, people can't see the business because you don't know we sell. And we in a road said you can run taxi same way though.
My most used app is TikTok and ChatGPT because I'm an educator, so I use it to assist me in writing my lesson plan and to see the latest update, what is going on in society.
Right now, my most used app would be probably Instagram because most of my friends on it, so I keep in contact with past, schoolmates and so forth. So yeah, Instagram right now.
Well, I'm on Facebook from day one, and now my son them download TikTok. I find it entertaining and just kill time. Yes, get a laugh now and then.
My most used app is Google Classroom, and it's Google Classroom because I love to do maths and my teacher sends a lot of math equations, and there's also learning games.
Everybody use TikTok. I love TikTok because I love to see new things, have new ideas, see new people, hear new things all over the world. So that's why I use TikTok and to meet people also.
I'd say TikTok is very entertaining for one, and it's something that, when I'm actually, boring or probably sad, it kind of gives me a more ease to say, get a better sleep or whatever. So I feel like, it's very calming, and it's very peaceful and, a lot of drama, so you can't live without that.